Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Damien D. In today's video, me and my brother Blaine.
Hi, I'm here without my glasses because we're doing something fun.
We're gonna be doing, we're calling it Minibike Freestyles.
It's gonna be epic.
We're gonna be riding our mini bikes and seeing who can do the better tricks.
Whoever does the most tricks gets the most points. Whoever does the best tricks gets points. Like, we don't get a lot of points for best tricks.
Yeah. But there's gonna be no time limit, so you can go as long as you want. And then, we're also gonna be doing maybe 1 or 2 races. And yeah, but that'll be at the end, so
Yeah.
we'll see how this
Whoever
goes.
wins the races wins it all.
Okay, so I'm gonna be going first because, well, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be doing the best.
He is going to.
I'm gonna get my mini bike started up, and yeah. Okay, so the types of tricks you can do are,
Superman.
you can do where you lay down on the mini bike, you can stand up, you can do donuts, drifts, you can do, you can sit like this while you're riding, with both legs on one side and none on the other. You can do some air.
If you really wanted to.
If you can do some tire spins, and then you can also do like fastest run up the driveway.
And you get 3 tries for that.
So yeah, let me get my mini bike started up.
1, 2. Sorry, my mini bike's in the way. Like and subscribe if you like his. Just like the video if you like mine. If you don't like mine, just please consider hitting the subscribe button. And that concludes his.
Okay, so me and Blaine are not going to decide the winners because we're just going to say our own win. But let us know down in the comments who you think won. Do hashtag Damien or hashtag Blaine. So yeah, I'm going to move my mini bike real quick and let's let Blaine get his stuff all